idealistas will be able to write decimals and fractions greater than 1 shown on the grids. Okay, so we already know that these ones are hundreds, right? So I already know that my denominator will be 100. But I already know this is 100. So technically, this is 100 over 100, okay? And then this one will be 100 over 100, okay? So this is one whole, and this is another whole. So if I add these two, that will give me 2, you see? But now I have this fraction over here. So I know that my denominator for that one, let me delete this one over here. So I know that my denominator for this one will be 100, right? And now let's go ahead and let's see how many I have. 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. You see that? That's written as a fraction. This is what we call a what? A mixed number, right? This is we'll be calling as a decimal. You have a whole number, decimal, in 74 hundredths. 74 hundredths. Why? Because this is on the tenths place and this is on the hundredths place, right? So as a fraction will be 2 and 74 hundredths, right? As a decimal, that will look as 2 point for your decimal, 74 hundredths. And it is correct. Let's go ahead and let's see this one. Which of the two following the shading? I already know that this is 100. So I already know that this is a full whole, okay? 1, right? And this is not quite yet tenths. Do you see that? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that will be 9 over 100 because that's how many of them, okay? And then that will be 1 decimal 900. So I'm going to put a 0 because I don't have any tenths, but I do have a hundreds. Do you see? It cannot be this one. And it says choose 2 answers. That will be 1 and 9 tenths. That doesn't look like a doesn't look like a 9, like a 1 and 9 tenths, right? 109 hundredths. Let's see. 1 and 1/9. 9 hundredths, yes. 109 hundredths. 100 9 hundredths. If you take a look at this, this is 100, and then you have 9 hundredths in there, okay? And it is correct. Did you see what I did? Because this 100 and 9 hundredths is because you have 100 here. Do you see that? You have 100 pieces, and then you have 9 out of 100. So it is written also 109 hundredths, sorry. Next one. Which one is as a fraction? I know that this is a whole 1. Do you see that? So I already know that it's 1. I can see that I have 10 pieces, so that's going to be my denominator. And I have 1 over there, so that is 9 tenths. 1 decimal, 9 tenths. Y is going to be first, okay? Fraction. 1 and 9 tenths. 1 decimal, 9 tenths. You see that? And we're done. Okay. Words for today. Sane. I'm going to say Sane Murphy. Brennan. Okay. And Tanner. All right. See you guys. Great job.